We're standing in Unit 3330, the Nedsbar timber sale. The unit sits on a north-facing slope in the Boaz Mountain Roadless area, which is an important area for connectivity between the Upper Applegate and Little Applegate watersheds, as well as between the Buncombe and the Little Grayback Roadless areas. The unit supports late seral conditions and relatively minimal fuel loads. Much of the understory growth has been suppressed by the canopy of large old trees that you'll find in this site. The prescription proposed by the BLM within this stand of trees is a structural retention regeneration harvest, which means they would be reducing canopy coverage in this stand to as low as 30% and retaining only 16 to 25 large trees per acre. The BLM identifies large trees as those that are over 20 inches in diameter. As you can see, a fair portion of this stand is over 20 inches in diameter and contributes to the minimal fuels that you see on this site. And this is particularly important because the Boaz Mountain Roadless area and Unit 3330 lie directly above the most densely populated portion of the Upper Applegate Valley, and the reduction of canopy and the increase in fuel loads would put many homes at risk. The stand is also good habitat for late seral species such as the Pacific fisher, due to the presence of large old trees and large old hardwoods like this madrone here that has cavities eaten out on the backside from previous fires. It's also important habitat for the northern spotted owl and likely provides nesting, roosting, and foraging habitat for the owls in this area. Unit 3330 should not be logged, should be canceled from the Nedsbar timber sale, and no commercial units should be allowed in the Boaz Mountain Roadless area.